First stepped into the world of trading in the United States, I had no prior experience, just a $100 bill and a big dream. I thought making money from stocks would be simple, buy low, sell high. I was wrong. The first month was a roller coaster filled with emotional highs and devastating lows. In this video, I'm going to take you through the real, raw journey of my first month of trading in the US and every major mistake I made along the way. If you're just starting out or thinking of entering the market, learn from my failures. Because the cost of these mistakes wasn't just financial, it was mental, emotional, and motivational. Let's dive in. 1. Jumping into the market without a plan. My first and perhaps biggest mistake was diving in without any structure. I opened my trading account, deposited $100, and the next day I bought a random stock because I saw it trending on Reddit. No analysis, no strategy, just impulse. Lesson: trading without a plan is gambling. A solid trading plan includes entry and exit points, risk management rules, and a clear reason for every trade. Never enter a trade just because it feels right. 2. Ignoring risk management. My first and perhaps biggest mistake was diving in without any structure. I opened my trading account, deposited $100, and the next day I bought a random stock because I saw it trending on Reddit. No analysis, no strategy, just impulse. Lesson: trading without a plan is gambling. A solid trading plan includes entry and exit points, risk management rules, and a clear reason for every trade. Never enter a trade just because it feels right. 2. Ignoring risk management. In my first few trades, I would go all in. I didn't understand position sizing. I bought 5 shares of a penny stock with my entire account balance and lost 40% in one day. That hit me hard. Lesson: always define how much you're willing to lose before entering a trade. Use stop-loss orders. Never risk more than 1 to 2% of your capital on a single trade. Protecting your capital is more important than making quick profits. 3. Chasing stocks after they've moved. I would see a stock up 20% and think, it's going to the moon. So I would buy, just in time for the pullback. I bought the hype, not the logic. Lesson: don't chase green candles. Wait for confirmation. Understand why the stock moved before jumping in. Be patient. Opportunities come every day. 4. Overtrading and revenge trading. After every loss, I felt the urge to win it back, immediately. That led to revenge trading. Overtrading with high emotions, making things worse. One bad trade turned into 5. Lesson: emotional trading is toxic. If you lose a trade, walk away. Analyze, learn, and come back with clarity. Overtrading drains your capital and your mental energy. 5. Relying on social media for stock picks. I followed TikTok traders, Discord channels, and YouTubers. If someone said buy this now, I would buy. I didn't know their strategy, their risk profile, or their time horizon. Lesson: always do your own research, DIY. What works for others may not work for you. Social media can be helpful for learning, but never blindly copy trades. 6. Neglecting technical and fundamental analysis. At first, I didn't know what a moving average was. I didn't read earnings reports or understand news impact. I was trading blind. Lesson: you don't need to be a financial analyst, but you must understand the basics. Learn chart patterns, trends, and key indicators. Also, stay aware of earnings, news, and economic data. 7. Lack of journaling and self-review. I wasn't tracking my trades. I didn't write down why I entered or exited. I made the same mistakes multiple times because I wasn't reflecting. Lesson: journaling is powerful. Write down every trade, the setup, the emotion, the outcome. It's the fastest way to grow as a trader. 8. Trading during high volatility events without understanding them. I once entered a trade just before a company's earnings release, without knowing how volatile earnings can be. The stock plummeted and I was caught off guard. Lesson: understand events like earnings, Fed meetings, or CPI reports. Volatility spikes during these times. Either avoid them or prepare a strategy. 9. Lack of emotional discipline. Fear, greed, and FOMO, fear of missing out, ruled my trading decisions. I would panic sell or jump into trades just because I didn't want to miss out. Lesson: trading is 80% psychology. Learn to control your emotions. Meditation, breaks, and discipline matter as much as strategy. 10. Not treating trading like a business. I treated trading like a game. No planning, no goal setting, no routine. Just logging in and making random decisions. Lesson: trading is a business. Create a schedule, set realistic goals, track your performance, and reinvest in your education. 11. Expecting instant results. I thought I'd double my money in a week. When I didn't, I got frustrated. This mindset created pressure and led to emotional decisions. Lesson: trading is a marathon, not a sprint. Be patient. The first goal is to survive, then grow. 12. Not knowing my trader type. Was I a day trader? A swing trader? A scalper? I didn't know. I tried everything in 1 week, and it created chaos. Lesson: know your personality and time availability. Choose a trading style that fits you. Then master it. 13. Disregarding market hours and pre-market movements. I didn't know about pre-market volatility or after-hours news. I placed trades without considering market timing. Lesson: learn about market sessions. Many big moves happen outside regular hours. Stay informed and plan accordingly. 14. Using complex strategies too early. Options, leverage, shorting. I tried everything too early. It made things worse. Lesson: master the basics before going advanced. Don't trade what you don't understand. Complexity doesn't mean success. 15. Not investing in education. I watched a few free videos and thought I was ready. I avoided investing in proper courses, books, or mentorship. Lesson: knowledge is your edge. Spend money to save money. A good book or course can save you from huge losses. 16. Lack of community or mentorship. I was trading alone with no feedback. No one to guide or correct me. That loneliness added to the confusion. Lesson: join a trading community. Talk to real traders. Share your journey, ask questions, and learn from others. 17. Misunderstanding broker tools and fees. I didn't realize how much I was paying in spreads or commissions. I didn't know how to use stop loss or limit orders properly. Lesson: learn your broker's platform thoroughly. Know all the tools available. Fees and execution matter more than you think. 18. Not taking breaks. I was glued to the screen for hours. It caused stress, burnout, and poor decisions. I felt like I couldn't step away. Lesson: breaks are essential. Step away, reset your mind. Clarity comes from space, not obsession. Conclusion: what I learned and how I'm moving forward, 9,500 to 10,000 words. After 30 days, I had lost some money, but gained far more in lessons. I realized trading is not about quick money, it's about long-term mastery. My biggest takeaway? Respect the market, respect your capital, and most importantly, respect your mind. If you're starting your journey, don't fear mistakes, but do learn from them. This video wasn't just a confession, it's a roadmap of what not to do. Thank you for watching. Comment your biggest mistake and subscribe for more real, raw trading journeys. Stay focused, stay disciplined, and keep learning.